A very good morning to all students. We are studying about the chapter 12th of chemistry, which is aldehyde, ketones, and carboxylic acid. In this part 4th, we are studying about the preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Before this, we have studied about the preparation of aldehydes and ketones in and their some reaction. Now, it is found that there are the total three main methods for the preparation of aldehydes and ketone. First one is the general methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones, which is we have studied in the part 3 for this video of this chapter. In general methods, we have studied about the preparation of aldehydes and ketones from alcohols and from hydrocarbons. From alcohols, that means there are again two methods. One is the by the oxidation of alcohol, that means from primary alcohol we get aldehyde, and from secondary alcohol we get ketones. Second one is the by the dehydrogenation of alcohol, and it can be gives the same, that is from primary and secondary alcohol we get the aldehyde and ketones respectively. And then we have studied about the second method, that is hydrocarbons. Then it has again two method, that is first one is the ozonolysis of alkene. Alkene means carbon carbon double bonded compound, and second one is the by the hydration of alkalines, that means carbon carbon triple bonded compounds. Now the second method is the preparation of aldehydes and ketones from the other method. In other method we have studied about the three types mainly. First one is the from acyl chlorides, which has the general formula. Acyl chloride has an RCOCl, and it is also we have to study it in part 3, and especially in the Rosenman reduction reaction. Now today we have studied about the preparation of aldehydes and ketones from nitriles. Nitriles, they have the general formula, that is RC triple bond N, and then from aromatic hydrocarbons. From aromatic hydrocarbons means in benzene ring there is presence of an hydrocarbon group like toluene. It is says that now it is also of various types. We have studied about the main four types. First one is the Itard reaction. Second one is the by the oxidation of methyl arene using CrO3 group. Third one is the by the side chain chlorination of toluene, and fourth one is the Gutterman-Koch formulation of arenes. And now last one is the main reaction, that is preparation of aldehydes only from esters. So now let us study it about one by one reaction in detail. First of all, we have studied about the preparation of aldehyde from nitrile. Now, as we already given you the information that nitriles, they are represented by general formula RC triple bond N. This C triple bond N, it is also known as the cyanide. Now aldehydes and ketones both can be obtained from nitrile, but by the different reaction, in which first one is the preparation of aldehydes from nitriles, and second one is the preparation of ketones from nitriles. Both in aldehydes and ketone we get the we have used the different raw material. Now how this can be produced, it can be we have studied. Now the first one is the preparation of aldehydes from nitriles. Now this reaction, it is also known as the Stephan reaction or Stephan reduction reaction, and the question asked in this topic is write a note on Stephan reaction. So now let us study what is meant by Stephan reaction, or how we get the aldehyde from nitriles. Nitriles means RC triple bond N. When it is found that the alkyl cyanides, or also known as the nitriles, nitriles means which contains the group RC triple bond N, they are reduced to imine hydrochloride. Now if they are reduced, then we use the reducing agent, and in this case we use the reducing agent, that is stannous chloride, means SnCl2. In presence of hydrochloric acid means HCl means for the preparation of aldehyde from nitriles we use the reducing agent that is stannous chloride SnCl2 in hydrochloric acid that means HCl, which on acid hydrolysis gives the corresponding aldehyde, and in this reaction in between we get the some intermediate product which is nothing but the imine hydrochloride, and this imine hydrochloride has to be undergoes acid hydrolysis gives the product that is aldehyde, and this reaction is known as the Stephan reaction. Now, the one thing important for this reaction is it is useful method to prepare aldehydes only. That means ketones are not prepared by this method. So now let us study how this reaction has to be takes place. Now, in this reaction it is found that this is the RC triple bond N means alkane nitrile which undergoes the reduction. That means we are using two hydrogen atom. For reducing agent we use the stannous chloride that is SnCl2 and HCl. Now here reduction occur, that means triple bond is converted into the double bond compound and H has to be separated as HH means one H goes to this carbon and second H is goes to this nitrogen. Triple bonded compound converted into the double bond, and as SnCl2 dot here is the HCl, the HCl goes here also. We get the intermediate product that is RCH, as I already say that one hydrogen is goes to this carbon atom, then double bond NH dot HCl, and this intermediate product is known as the imine hydrochloride. Next one is the it undergoes the acid hydrolysis, that is H3O plus H1 as it is can be used. Now as there is occurs the hydrolysis reaction, that means water molecule. Now it is found that here there is the O and there is the H2, that means there is the removal of the group and we get the RCHO, that means aldehyde, and here we get the NH4Cl, here H2 and here O, that means RCHO general formula for aldehyde and NH4Cl means ammonium chloride we get. So now let us study one example for this. Now in first example it is found that when ethene nitrile their formula is CH3C triple bond N on reduction by stannous chloride and HCl, that means triple bond converted into the double bond, one carbon hydrogen goes to carbon, another to hydrogen, we get the intermediate product that is ethanamine hydrochloride, which again undergoes the acid hydrolysis. As in acid hydrolysis we get the there is the hydrolysis of water molecule, here O and here H2, that means we get the CH3CHO, that is ethanol plus ammonium chloride. Now in this way we get the ethanol, that is aldehyde from ethane nitrile. Now next one is the conversion of benzonitrile into the benzaldehyde. Now see how this reaction has to be takes place. First the benzonitrile it is reduced to the benzanimine hydrochloride. For this triple bond converted into the double bond, one hydrogen is goes to here and another hydrogen is goes to this nitrogen and HCl is written next, that means we get the C6H5CH double bond NH HCl. Then again it undergoes the hydrolysis reaction, means here there is an and there is an H2, we get the C6H5CHO, that means benzaldehyde, and then NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride. Now in this reaction it is found that we have prepared the aldehydes from nitriles by some alternate method, and for this it is also used as the some another reagent, that is DIBAIH reducing agent, or ALHI between. Now the nitriles are also reduced by the disisobutyl aluminum hydride. Now this structure of this isobutyl aluminum hydride we have already studied in part 3, or AIHI butene 2 imine, which is followed by the acid hydrolysis to the aldehyde. And advantages of this method is that double or triple bond present in the same molecule is not reduced. Means especially this method is used for that compound which contains the either double or same triple bond in the same molecule. Now this is one of the compound in which it has the formula CH3 CH double bond CH2 C triple bond N. Here we get the alternate double bond and triple bond. Means it is found that we have to use the reduction in only triple bond compound, not in double bond compound, so we use the specific reducing agent. Now for this we get the, as it is first part, that is CH3CH double bond CH2, and only C triple bond N, that is nitriles get converted into the aldehyde, that is CHO. It is the very specific reaction. Now second one is the preparation of ketones from nitriles. That means preparation of aliphatic ketone by specially using Grignard reagent. As for preparation of ketones from nitriles, we use the Grignard reagent as an raw material, and it is found in dry ether as a solvent. Ketones are generally prepared by reacting nitriles. Nitriles means R C triple bond N. This is the general formula for the nitriles. When it reacts with the Grignard reagent, that means RMgX in dry ether as a solvent, and then it is followed by the acid hydrolysis. Now the reaction for this is to prepare the especially acetone from the ethane nitrile. Now ethane nitrile, it has given by the general formula CH3 C triple bond N. Then it can be reacts with the Grignard reagent, that is CH3 MgCl, that means methyl magnesium chloride, in presence of the dry ether. Now it can be used the addition product. This is nothing but the addition product, and for obtaining this addition product, it is found that this CH3 is goes to this carbon atom, then remaining group, that is MgCl, is goes to this nitrogen triple bond converted into the double bond. Then there is found that there is an acid hydrolysis reaction, and for this acid hydrolysis reaction, it is found that this bond has to be break, and first it undergoes the hydrolysis reaction, means here O, here H2, that means we get the CH3C double bond O CH3, that means we get the acetone. Then it again undergoes the second hydrolysis reaction, that means here there is an 1H, here we get the OH, that means NH2 plus 1H 3H3, that is NH3, which is nothing but the ammonia, and then MgCl OH. Okay, in this way we get the ethyl nitrile from the from which we get the ethanol. Now next, second one is the question asked in this second is, how will you prepare the benzophenone? Benzophenone has a general formula C6H5 C double bond O C6H5 from benzone nitrile, that means in benzene ring there is attached the group C triple bond, and the reaction has to be takes place in phenyl magnesium bromide in the dry ether. We get the complex which is known as the imine complex. Here the same has to be takes place, that means to this carbon atom C6H5 group has to be attached, nitrogen Mg has to be attached, triple bond converted into the double bond, acid hydrolysis reaction has to be takes place. Here C6H5 C double bond O C6H5 benzophenol, then here H2, again twice we use the hydrolysis, here HOH, that is NH3 plus MgBrOH we get. Now next, third reaction is the preparation of aldehydes and ketones from aromatic hydrocarbons. The aromatic aldehydes and ketones are both they are prepared from the aromatic hydrocarbons, but we use the different methods. Now first of all we study about the preparation of aromatic aldehydes from hydrocarbons. The strong oxidizing agents transfer the methyl group, that is CH3 group, bonded to the aromatic ring into carboxylic group, that is COOH. For obtaining the aromatic aldehydes from methyl arenes like toluene, the following special methods are used, and there we have studied about the four methods. First one is the Itard reaction, second one is the by the oxidation of methyl arene using CrO3, third one is the by the side chain chlorination of toluene, and fourth one is the Guttman-Koch formulation of the arene. So now let us study one by one in detail. The first one is the Itard reaction. In Itard reaction, it is found that the methyl group, that is CH3 group, in methyl benzene or methyl arene, like in toluene, here this is the methyl group CH3 group attached to the benzene ring known as the toluene. It is oxidized by oxidizing agent like the chromyl chloride, that means CrO2 Cl2, in carbon disulfide, that is CH2 as a solvent. In some case we use also carbon tetrachloride, that is CCl4 as a solvent also, to form the chromium complex. Now this is the chromium complex. For this it is found that this 2H is removed by the chromyl chloride, from which the corresponding benzaldehyde we get on the acid hydrolysis reaction. Here there is also presence of the acid hydrolysis reaction, and we then again get the benzaldehyde, and this type of reaction is known as the Itard reaction. It is the naming reaction in which methyl group from benzene ring is converted into the aldehydic group. Now the second one is the next reaction is the by the oxidation of methyl arene using the CrO3. Now the methyl arene, or it is also known as the toluene, this is the methyl arene group, that means methyl group is attached to the benzene ring. It is converted into the benzylidene diacetate, this is the benzylidene diacetate, on treatment with the chromium oxide CrO3. It is nothing but the chromium oxide in acetic anhydride. The general formula for the acetic anhydride is CH3 CHCO twice O, and the reaction is takes place at 273 to 283 Kelvin temperature. This is the diacetate derivatives. It undergoes the acid hydrolysis reaction, and it can be used the corresponding aldehyde. Now see what happens in this reaction. Now when this methyl group from this reaction is reacts with the first chromium oxide and then acetic anhydride, it can be used the intermediate product, which is nothing but the diacetate derivative. Here 2H2 has to be replaced by this group, and then it undergoes the hydrolysis reaction, and we have to get the CH double bond O. Now next, third one, the reaction is the by the side chain chlorination of the toluene. Now this is nothing but the toluene. It undergoes the reaction Now the side chain chlorination of toluene gives the benzyl chloride. This is the benzyl chloride. Now see how this benzyl chloride has to be formed. When toluene undergoes the reaction with this chlorine molecule, the H molecule has to be replaced and we get the CHCl2, that means benzyl chloride. It can be undergoes the benzyl chloride which on acid hydrolysis. This is the acid hydrolysis at 373 Kelvin gives the benzaldehyde. That means again it is found that here there is the undergoes the hydrolysis reaction. That means here there is an O and there is an H2 has to be replaced. Means we get the in benzene ring CHO group has to be attached. That means we get the benzaldehyde plus here we get the 2 time HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Now the next one is the Guttman-Koch formulation of the arene. Now in this reaction it is found that the benzene, this is the benzene ring or the substituted benzene like the toluene, is treated under the high pressure with the carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide means CO, C and carbon, it is known as the single carbon single oxygen means carbon monoxide, and hydrogen chloride, that means HCl, in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, that is AlCl3, or the cuprous chloride to give the benzaldehyde or the substituted benzaldehyde. Now see how this reaction has to be takes place. And when it undergoes the reaction, then in CO and HCl, in this case H in this benzene ring is converted into the CHO group. Now next one is the, that means third main reaction is the preparation of aromatic ketones from the hydrocarbons. This reaction, it is also known as the Friedel-Crafts acylation of arene. It is also, we have to study it first in part 3rd, which is now what is meant by the Friedel-Crafts reaction. The replacement of hydrogen atom of benzene group by the acyl group. Acyl group means it contains the CH3 C double bond O. This is nothing but the acyl group in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to give the aromatic ketone known as the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Now for preparing this reaction, it is found that when benzene or its derivative like toluene is treated with the acyl chloride, that is CH3 C double bond O Cl, or the acetic anhydride in presence of the anhydrous AlCl3, it can be gives the corresponding ketones. Now this is the general reaction that when benzene reacts with the benzoyl chloride means it contains the benzene ring C double bond O Cl has to be found, and in presence of the AlCl anhydrous AlCl3 aluminum chloride, we get the two benzene ring attached to each other by using this carbonyl group, and it is known as the diphenyl ketone, and this H and this Cl has to be attached and we get the HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. The reaction is represented as when acylating group, that is acetyl chloride here, that means CH3 C double bond O CH3 undergoes the reaction with benzene, that is aromatic compound, or here it is also used for the substituted benzene ring, that means like toluene CH3 or nitro groups. We use the Lewis acid catalyst, that is AlCl3, and we get the product as acyl group attached to the aromatic compound by the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, that is here there is an attach of the C double bond O CH3 group has to be attached, and this Cl is reacts with the H and we get the HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, as an byproduct. Now the last one is the preparation of aldehydes only from the ester. Now see how this reaction has to be takes place for the preparation of aldehydes. Now it is found that either aliphatic or aromatic esters are to be reduced to the aldehyde by using diisobutyl aluminum hydride or aluminum ibutene. This is the general formula for isobutyl aluminum hydride, and this is the general formula for the aluminum hydride. Then the reaction is usually carried out at the 195 Kelvin to prevent the further reduction of the aldehyde produced. The structure of DIBAH, this one, and structure of this ALH I between 2. Now see how this reaction has to be takes place. Now it is found that when there is the reaction of ester it is represented by the general formula, that means RC double bond O OR. Here reaction takes place in presence of ALHI between 2 and HCO plus. It undergoes the hydrolysis reaction and we get the two parts. One is the aldehyde, that is RC double bond O. Here there is the presence of H, and then we get the ROH, that is alcohol. Here not show, but there is presence of an ROH, that is alcohol. Now the second one is the ethyl butyrate, undergoes the reaction with the DIBALH and hydrolysis. Now same reaction has to be takes place. The bond is break here and we get the C2H5OH, that is ethanol is separated, and butanol, that means CH3CH2 CH2 C double bond OH butanol, we get the main product. Now in this way we have studied about the various reaction for the preparation of aldehydes and ketone. I hope all of you understand it very well, and thank you. And in next part, that is part 5th, we have studied about the various chemical reaction for the preparation of carboxylic acid.